How to delete Facebook blocked list permanently. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to manage your Facebook account more effectively, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you how to delete your Facebook blocked list without having to unblock anyone. Let's dive right in. First, open your Facebook, and then once you're logged in, tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right, and then scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then go to Settings, and there under Audience and Visibility you'll see Blocking. Tap on it, and here are the people that you have blocked. However, there's no option to just delete them without unblocking. So what you have to do is go back, and under Help and Support, tap on Report a Problem. If you want to include complete logs and diagnostics, then you can include in report, add the screenshots of your block list and so on. Now you can tap on any of this that is relevant to you. If not, tap on other, and then tap in your explanation, like why do you want to delete your block list, and explain your problem, and Facebook will get back to you within a few days, most probably within 48 hours. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.